Verkada cameras do more than just keep stores safe. They double as powerful analytics tools to improve store performance. They can help marketing, buying, and retail operations teams make faster, smarter decisions with occupancy trends, people heat maps, queue trends, and sales conversion trends, with analytics accessible through intuitive dashboards. Take occupancy trends, for example. Easily track in and out foot traffic across one or multiple store entrances, broken down by days, weeks, or months. Use these insights to understand the impact of your marketing promotions and align staffing with customer traffic. With people heat maps, visualize high and low traffic areas across your store floor plan to optimize merchandising, improve layouts, and guide in-store strategies. Queue Trends lets your team see not only how many people are waiting, but also for how long, including average and maximum wait times. And lastly, by connecting your point-of-sale data with Verkada, you can seamlessly track sales conversion rates, the percentage of shoppers who enter your stores and make a purchase. This makes it easy to compare performance across stores and identify where adjustments are needed. You can also create custom graphs with your POS data, showing discounts applied, transaction counts, and other key metrics over time. Whether for a single store or multiple locations across a region, Verkada's intuitive dashboards make it easy to monitor store performance and guide decisions. With Verkada, our cameras don't just protect stores, they give teams the insight they need to optimize retail operations and boost sales.